First, prepare 2 chicken breasts. Use a knife to gently slice each piece horizontally. To make them a little thinner. After slicing, you will have 4 chicken breasts. This method helps the meat cook faster and makes it more tender when eaten. Next, season the meat. We have salt, pepper, smoked chili powder, and flour. Lightly coat both sides of the meat with these seasonings. The flour will form a light crust when fried, giving the meat a nice golden color and helping the sauce stick better later. Many people often think that cooking is quite complicated, requiring a lot of skill or experience for the food to taste good. But actually, after spending some time in the kitchen, I realized that it's not that difficult. Most delicious dishes start with very simple steps like these: preparing the ingredients, seasoning appropriately, and being a little patient while cooking. Once the seasoning is evenly coated, I place the chicken pieces in a hot pan with a little olive oil and butter. Fry each side until golden brown. As always, welcome to my video. I hope you enjoy relaxing and satisfying moments with today's recipe. While waiting for the chicken to cook, I prepare the vegetables. I take the broccoli, cut off the florets, and place them in boiling water to blanch for a few minutes until just tender. After blanching, remove the broccoli florets and set them aside, but keep the blanching water. We'll use it as the base for the sauce, which is sweet and natural. Return to the pan, where the fried chicken is now a beautiful golden color and cooked through. I carefully transfer each piece to a plate and set it aside. Using the same pan, I take 2 cloves of garlic, grate them directly into the pan, and stir gently for a moment to release the aroma. In just a few seconds, the kitchen is filled with a very pleasant aroma. Next, I pour about 200 milliliters of broccoli broth into the pan. Then, I add 200 milliliters of fresh cream, stirring well to combine everything together. When the mixture begins to heat up, I grate about 100 grams of cheese. And sprinkle it evenly over the pan. The cheese will slowly melt, making the sauce smooth, creamy, and very appealing. At this point, you just need to stir gently so that everything blends together completely. With dishes like this, I always feel that the chicken and the sauce pretty much determine the entire flavor of the dish. The chicken needs to be fried, just enough to keep it tender inside, while the sauce must be balanced rich, but not too heavy. At this point, I put the fried chicken back into the pan and simmer it gently in the sauce so that the meat absorbs the flavor. After just a few minutes over low heat, the sauce begins to coat each piece of chicken, making it look very appetizing. Next, I cut the tomatoes into quarters and add them to the pan. The tomatoes help balance the richness of the cream and cheese, while also adding color to the dish. Finally, I chop some parsley and add it to the pan. I simmer everything for a little longer, then use a spoon to ladle the sauce over the chicken pieces. For those watching their weight, I think dishes like this are quite suitable if you balance your portions appropriately. Chicken breast is an excellent source of protein, helping you feel full longer and supporting muscle maintenance while dieting. Now, all that's left is to plate it up, and the dish is complete.